How to back up and restore Telegram messages. I am going to show you how you can easily back up and restore Telegram messages. Telegram has a built-in undo delete feature that brings the deleted messages within 5 seconds of doing so. The 5-second window is too short in most cases. Still, it can be a handy solution for recovering your messages in the future. In either case, follow the below steps to recover deleted Telegram messages via undo delete. Launch Telegram and select any chat. Tap and hold on until you see the delete option. Press it to delete the chat. An undo option will appear at the bottom right. Tap it to retrieve your deleted chat. The desktop version of Telegram offers additional features that might help you get back the accidentally deleted messages. The reason is Telegram stores data on its servers, and with proper knowledge, you can try retrieving the lost conversations. If you're wondering how to restore Telegram chat history in its desktop version, just implement the below steps. Install the Telegram's desktop version and log in with your account. On its interface, click on the 3 dots icon to see a menu screen. Select Settings, then Advanced. Next, hit Export Telegram Data. Now choose what type of data you want to export as shown in the figure and export at the bottom.